My name is Nicholas Bromfield. Alright, I'll explain that part. But my name is Nicholas Bromfield. I am the Western Region Marketing Representative for Carlong Publishers, and I felt the need to introduce myself this afternoon because I noticed that most persons in here are younger than I am and would be first-timers and probably two-timers or three-timers. And so you may not be familiar with me. I'm based in Western Jamaica, right? Also, I am the future husband of Dr. Ashman. It's a secret, it's a secret, it's a secret, it's a secret. It's a secret. And I can prove it, I can prove it. You know, I realize I'm the only person that got a gift from her. I'm the only person that got her number. Boy, women, I tell you. Anyway, let's deal with the burning issue. You will notice for those persons who have been here over and over the years, you would notice that I'm wearing the same pair of shoes that I've worn from 5 years ago. I know you're sorry for me. Alright. So, I've decided that this has to stop. Next year, I am going to wear a fresh pair of shoes, courtesy of the Biaj. And so I decided to start a little GoFundMe inside here. I just pass it around my purse. So this do the honorable thing, right? But Mrs. Kabi, you don't have to pay attention to that. You have already done that. Right? Okay, that's by way of housekeeping. Let's get on to the serious matter.
So, good afternoon, everybody. So not offenses. Anyway, serious business now. Carlong Publishers. What's new? What's coming? So I'll be doing the first part of the presentation and Nick will chime in. So I'm doing shorter. The presentation will be short, but not because I'm shorter, but in the interest of time. And Mr. Nicholas Bromfield. I'm the Eastern Region Marketing Rep and he's the Western Region. We cover the parishes. I cover the parishes from Portland, St. Mary, St. Catherine, Kingston, Manchester, Clarendon, St. Andrew, and St. Thomas. And he goes.
I go St. Anne, Trelawney, St. James, and over Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth.
So the presentation will be full of information and also entertaining. Just sit back and listen.
Get your students ready for pen with high-quality pen-aligned workbooks coming soon from Carlong. Contact us at 876-960-9364 for more information. Carlong Publishers, partners in the education process.
We're prepping, and we're ready. These are ads that have been running in the media. So those books will be coming, the CIPT series, Carlong Integrated Practice Test Series. Those bestsellers for grade 6. They have been revised. They are now curriculum-based material and testing them. And they will be coming within a month. So don't all at once come. When they're here, the bookstores will be contacted.
Okay, pause there, Domian. There is something that I don't like to tell the audience about the books. That's not what you're here for. You are here to find out what these books can do for you. So you heard that they are coming, but you also need to hear that they are on many book lists even before they are published. Somebody said that true. Raise your hand. Sit it down at the back, you raise it again. So that sweet looking young lady down the back there has seen them on book lists. That's significant. We held seminars, we held workshops, and we got numerous promises of adoption. Now listen, everybody who knows me here knows about my credibility. If I say it goes so, it goes on. Last year I told you about mind builders and you see what happened? Okay. Continue doing it.
Last year we told about how smart are you, and it did go so. Alright, you could go on a vacation with these sales of these books. Amen? So this year we are seeing them on a lot of book lists, so they are here to stay.
They are also, that is also on the ministry supplementary list. So it's a must. It's a must. Now you'll find a lot of wonderful books out there for pep. But we live in a price economy. This one's the most cost effective. Bear that in mind.
So this is the mind builders that Nick spoke to about earlier. Still on many book lists, and you must stock up on this if you want to go on a vacation that you have not gone for in quite a while.
What a pretty book. This is the revised edition of First Steps in Science. Still called First Steps in Science. We don't want to confuse the market. Right? Covers the new National Standards Curriculum. I never said new standards curriculum. Bear that in mind. Right? And the whole series will be revised. And they will be available just as soon as the Carlong practice papers for pep.
So booksellers, you will get a lot of sales of this title from your independent schools, your prep schools, because this is on the ministry's list that they would send to the primary schools. So a lot of your sales would come from those prep schools, and they are on a lot of lists already.
Another pretty cover design. You'll agree with me?
Yes.
Would you agree with me that it's a pretty cover design? If you don't answer loud, I will withdraw that 30% discount that you get. Okay, all right. So you notice that we have the older version, the picture of the older version over there, and this is what the new version will look like.
And this is our Carlong Primary Social Studies, originally a Jamaica Island Nation. And now it's Carlong Primary Social Studies year 4, and we'll have year 5, and we'll have year 6.
The Book Industry Association has a WhatsApp group with 28 members. My WhatsApp group has 70 schools. And they all know about the revised books. I've had sleepless nights because my phone keeps ringing. Principals calling me 11:30 at night asking me, will these books be available? Will these books be available? So, when you're doing your budget, you know that 90% is to be set aside for Carlong and the rest came in your members.
Carlong Primary Religious Education year 4 and year 5 and 6. These are on the ministry supplemental list, so they are the only title on the ministry supplemental list
Title on there
for RE. So they will sell. You have to have these in your stores.
Let's learn to write cursive and let's learn to write script. Teachers are saying that they love them because they have reusable pages where the students can keep practicing using whiteboard marker over and over until they get it perfect. And they love the price. Right? There are many book lists. There are some schools that I've gone to that said, we don't really teach cursive here. But when they look in the book, you know, say we need to start teaching them cursive. I'm serious.
In the interest of time, the Binta series, we have done extensive work with it, and it's on many book lists, especially for the infant level. And this series also makes a good gift at this time of the year when they have graduations, and so you just stick about to it. It has a reader, it has the fun book, and it comes with an interesting poster. You just stick a bow on it, and it makes a good gift.
I like to give practical examples. Shadisha, this is on Iona Prep's book list for this year. Alright? So I just helped you. So at least dinner, okay? Alright, I'm gonna take you on an adventure. And this book, this series is a star when it comes on to the Ministry of Education supplementary list. No book that you have heard promoted from morning can compare to this one. None. The adventure series are loved by the teachers. We did extensive promotion last year. And our general managers decided to pump more money to make it universally known. Look into my eyes, I'm very, very tired, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very, very tired. Yesterday I was in the bushes, summertime in St. James. Almost every school will have this on for grade 1 and 2.
So the Adventures, book 2 is also on the supplemental list. This is math. This math is not, but language arts is. And we have gotten them on many book lists.
Many.
Book 3, math and language, coming soon. So when they are here and ready, we'll let you know. But we have gotten them on some book lists.
Yes, even before it's published. We are famous for that, ladies and gentlemen. Even before it's published.